My name is DREWSCAPE. I'm an illustrator, and besides drawing, I like modifying my pens and just trying to make my art tools work better. So I came across this video by Snazzy Labs, and it's about making cheap plastic look more premium. So I thought that this can actually apply to my art tools, like pens that have maybe cheap glossy plastic, and it's about using a scoring pad, and yeah, so this is what I did with my Noodler's Ahab. Well, I'll show you more close up. Hold on. This is what I've done so far. This one is the Noodler's Ahab. You can see that it has a kind of a matte shine to it. Before that, so when you get the Noodler's Ahab, it has this plastic. I mean, if you like this plastic, it'd be best to leave it alone. But if you want it to have a more like a premium matte shine to it, you can use this scoring pad to do it. And I'll just show you the other ones that I did. So like this cheap pen that James Jean uses. So at first it comes like this. This is just a glossy shine cheap plastic thing, and after scoring pad it looks like this. Okay, and it's the parallel pen. You can see this one is just the matte shine, and this is how it comes when you buy it from the store. Okay, so now I'm gonna do this pen, and we'll just try to make this pen like this pen. So first of all, I guess we just have to pull out the nib. And let's do this first. Alright, so this is a Scotch-Brite scoring pad, I think. It's a bit rough, but smooth and rough. It's not too rough. So I think you can just buy it for really cheap. It's 3M, this one's 3M, but I'm not sure if it needs to be the exact brand, but it's just something like this. So what we do is just go here and just go up and down in the same direction. Yeah, it's important to do it in the same direction because it's actually creating some streaks down the pen, so you don't want the streaks to go in all different directions. Just lightly. You can see that. Probably easier to take out if you can. You can try this on different pens. So just do this like this. Too bright. So it look like brush metal. Okay, so the last part is we need to get some window cleaner liquid. Okay, so here is the window cleaning liquid. In Singapore we use this. So I'll just use my old t-shirt. Used to be one of my favorite shirts, but now then it became my pajama shirt, and now it's my art rag. Okay, so I'm just following the video from Snazzy Labs that okay, and just put everything back. So it's kind of like this, a matte shine to it. Okay, I guess it can be more matte if you do it more, it will become even more matte. But yeah, so have fun.